watched up to this point, thanks for sticking around. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not already. Back to the review. This mop has a very soft mopping cloth which makes it perfect for wiping delicate surfaces like glass, mirrors, any smooth surface at all. It does a really good job with wiping smooth surfaces without leaving any form of scratch. The mopping cloth is also detachable, so it is very convenient to wash, dry and fix it back. Personally, I do not prefer this for wiping floors. I prefer using it for other surfaces, but I'll rate this product a 7 out of 10. It is a very nice product. For a price point of 9,000 naira, which is about $5, this mop is quite sturdy and does a very decent job. I would totally recommend this mop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.